To start lab 2, we're going to go over here to File, Open. We're going to take our example 21 and we're going to copy it into a new directory. As you can see, I've done that. Copied it into this directory. We're then going to open the model. And we're going to run the model. Now I'm going to run the model and look at the maximum number of loads in the process of average system. We'll turn off animation, and we're just going to hit continue. Model's done running. So we're going to go over to View, Reports, and we're going to go down to Processes and Display. And here you will see that the process of average system has a maximum load of 46. Now I'm going to edit the copied model. So the first edit we're going to make is changing the number of AGVs to 3. We're going to go over here to System, then Open, Path Mover, we're going to click Open, and you're going to be prompted with Path Mover, and we're going to go over here to Vehicle, and then we're going to edit. And right now the current number of vehicles is 4, and we're going to change that to 3. Sure that's it. Now we're going to change some of the source file logic. So we're going to go back over to System, Open, click on the model, hit Open, and then we're going to go down to Source File. I'll be prompted with Logic, Edit. We're going to go down to line 11 here. And we're going to change the exponential from 3 minutes to 2 minutes. Now we're going to close out of that. Actually, we'll save it first. And then we're going to close out of this. And now we're going to run the model using these changed values, and we're going to look at the difference of the maximum number of loads in the process of average systems. So I'm going to run model. Go over and close the other model first before doing this. Okay, here we go. We're going to go over to Control, turn off Animate, and then continue. Okay, the simulation is stopped, so we're going to back over to View, Reports, Processes. We now see that the number of maximum loads just went from 46 to 28. Okay, so for this next exercise, we're going to copy the same model, example 21, and this time we're going to focus on the resources, and we're going to look at the swap time. So right now, you're going to look at the source code here. We're going to look at the logic and see what exactly we're dealing with in terms of statistics. And when we go down, we're going to see that the wait time is normally distributed at a mean of 480 minutes with a standard deviation of 60 minutes. And then the swap time is a consistent 15 minutes. So we're going to run the model with these statistics, and we're going to look at the resources. And then we're going to alter it and then see basically how it influences the resources. control, turn off animate, continue. And now we're going to go to view, resources. Okay, so here we can see that the swap time, average time of 200 minutes, and we can look at the rest of the statistics here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back into the source file, into the logic.m, and we're going to change those numbers that we previously saw. Back over to source files, edit, 49 and 51. I'm going to change the mean to 240 and the deviation to 30. Then we're going to change the swap time to 7.5. We're going to go up and save these changes. And then we're going to run the model and see how the resources are affected. Turn off animate, continue. Complete. Resources. As you can see, the average time is cut in half. The final exercise, we're just going to take that same copied model, import it, and we're going to change the runtime to 25 days. Go over here to run control. Click on that. We're going to hit edit. And right now we are currently at a snap length of 5 days. We're going to change that to 25. Okay. You now see the changes made. And we are now going to run the model. The model has successfully ran a full 25 days. We are now going to look at the maximum number of blue loads in the system during this 25-day simulation. We go up here to view, we're going to select reports, we go down here to counters. We're going to display that, and then here we have the blue. We have a maximum of 62 loads in this 25-day process. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this second lab in my digital simulation class. Take care.